Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel again. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to subscribe my channel. Now in my previous videos, I've shown you how to create a business account, Facebook Business Manager, how to create an ad account, and how to integrate your pixels with your Facebook Business Manager and your Shopify store. Now in this video, I'd like to give you an overview on a Facebook Business Manager. I'll show you a few things which are important for you rather than going through each and every detail. Step by step, I'll show you how you can add different people and assign different tasks to different people, and how you can give access to another business manager to access your business manager to run campaigns or do whatever. Right. The first thing you need to see a lot of things. The first thing we need, the first thing that's really important is people. Now from here you can give access to different people who can manage your pages, who can manage your ad accounts, your pixels, or your business manager. Just click on add and type that person's email address, and you can choose either you want to give him the employee access or the admin access. I suggest if it's an agency or there's somebody who's working for you, just give them the employee access. Now further you can also give them you can assign tasks. For instance, you don't want them to see your earnings, you don't want them to run your ads, you only want them to publish your content and things like that. So you can give them access to the things which are necessary for that certain person. You don't want them to access your whole business manager, right? So the next thing is partners. Partners means you're giving access of your business manager to another business account, which could be your agency, which could be the performance marketer. So just add a new partner. Just type in your business ID, and an email will go to that business manager's official account, and they'll accept the request and they'll be partners to your business manager as well. System user means your catalogs, your pixels, your Shopify pixels, your Shopify catalog. So it's created automatically. You don't actually need to add or create anything on that. The next thing is pages. Now keep one business account you can keep one business account for one page, and you can have multiple pages in that as well. So to do that, just add a page, type in the page URL or its name, and you'll see, and click on add with. If this page is with somebody else, they'll get a notification to approve that. If it's your own page, you're the admin, you'll get the access immediately. You can also assign people to your pages. For instance, you'd like to give access to your employees or your partners or whosoever. Just add people, click on their name, and you can give them access for multiple things, or you can restrict a few things as well, as we did in the people. Right. So the next thing is ad account. We've created the ad account in my previous video. Now we have to connect or give access to certain people to manage that ad account for you. So just click on add people. You'll see their name or admin on your page, or you're in your business account, and give them access, and now they can manage your ad account for you. Another thing is connect ad assets or connected assets. You can see your assign partner. So you can also assign another business manager and give them access to your ad account so they can run ads for you. Business assets and groups is the same thing. The next thing is Instagram accounts. You can also assign people to your ad account. For instance, you can add people and give them access to limited things. Or so similarly, as we did in the pages on Instagram account, you can also give access to different people. You can assign them different tasks, or you can restrict their different tasks. It totally depends on to what extent you'd like to give them access for. The next thing is commerce account. I do another video, a detailed video on commerce account. So similarly, as we did with the pages, you can assign people to your commerce account as well. WhatsApp account, just type in the number, your official business WhatsApp number, and just integrate it with your business manager as well. Catalogs. Now after the commerce manager, you really don't need to go into the catalogs, but again, if you've created a catalog using your Shopify, you can assign people, and you can give them full access to manage your catalog and to work on your catalog as well. The next thing is pixels. In my previous video, we've created the pixels and we connected to the Shopify store. So now add assets and connect your Facebook pixel with your ad account, and now your ad accounts are ready to run using this pixel. So now Basically your pixels and ad account is connected now. You can also give access to different people to manage your your pixel, so that they can see the data and they can run the campaigns accordingly. Brand safety means domains, you really need to verify your domain, otherwise Facebook will somehow block your ad account or your business manager. You need a few documents. I'll do another video on how to verify your domain, so that you can do that step by step as well. Payment methods, just type in your credit card details or your debit card details.